Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you are interested in expanding your social circles. Maybe you just moved, or maybe you start a new phase in your life, or maybe that was a breakup. Whatever the reason, in this video, I'll tell you exactly how to build up your social circles. For those who don't know me, my name is Thomas Cieslak. I'm a multiple business owner, I'm a gym fanatic, a lover of knowledge, and I'm making those videos for my future kids so they can learn and navigate their lives when I'm gone. And I hope you, dear friend, will benefit from them too. All right, let's go. First things first, let's talk about why strong social circles are key. It's not just about having fun, although that's a big part. A diverse social circle can enhance your emotional well-being, can get you feel better, can expose you to new perspectives, and open doors to new opportunities, right? Plus, it's always great to have a support network in both good and the bad times. And the bad times will come, you know that, right? Before we dive in, let's take a moment to really think what you want from your social interactions, right? Are you looking for friends who you can share a passion with, or maybe you're seeking mentors, or you just want a group of friends to hang out with on the weekends, have a few pints, whatever, right? Knowing what you want will help you target the right groups and events, and that's important. Now let's get to the exciting part, the embracing new experiences. This could mean attending different local events, joining some clubs or groups, or maybe even like volunteering, right? Each of these activities will put you in the path of potential new friends. I remember when I started archery, it was such a key moment in my life because I was exposed to new people, new group, new hobby, and it was just an amazing experience, well worth it. Now, don't forget about the connections you already have, right? Reach out to people that you know, ask them to introduce you to your friends, maybe attend some social gatherings, express your interest in those networks, just put some time and effort into them. It's often easier to meet and bond with people that you already know, or well, the people that people that you already know, than gain the trust of the very, very new people. All right, so social media is a kind of gold mine when it comes to interactions in some way, because in my opinion, you still have to put those interactions to real life. LinkedIn is pretty good if you want to do some professional networking. Facebook, Instagram, obviously there are more like social platforms, but also pretty good. Facebook is actually pretty good for local events. I also like Eventbrite, a bunch of new and exciting experiences that you can attend. Listen, it takes time and effort to build up your social circle. It's not going to happen like that, okay? You have to approach this like plants. You have to water your plants and then see them growing, okay? Same thing with your relationships. See, when you're consistent, you show others that you are there to be reliable and committed to the group, and that's a really good thing. And now I think this is the most crucial advice. Always aim to add value, whether it's offering support or sharing opportunities, or just being a good listener, or just being there for someone. This is what friendship's about. I always say friendships are easy or they're convenient, but that's not what the friendship's all about. So remember, explore, turn up, and be dependable. Take one step at a time, and don't forget about the connections you make along the way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Maybe leave me a comment in the section down below. I really want to know how you get along with building your social circles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.